nighttime, it's time to wash our face. A lot of people ask me how to properly wash my face. I teach people all the time. It sounds like a simple concept, but apparently it is not. So here we go. How to wash your face from yours truly. First of all, take all your jewelry off and everything. I like washing all the way my face, down my neck and on my chest. I put foundations and stuff down here to even out my skin tone all the time. So I have to wash that far. And yes, I'm in my pajama onesies because it's bedtime. I put a little tube top on for you guys so we don't get too X-rated during this video. But when I wash my face, I go all the way down, get the girls and everything because I want them to look amazing when I get older. Next, get your hair off your face, ladies. If you're gonna wash your face, get your face out. This is so that you can get right up to your hairline, right over to the ears, and right behind the ears. Now, when I wash my face, especially when it's really dirty, I use a pre-oil cleanse. I'm obviously using one of my favorites. It's from Eminence Organic. It's a Stone Crop Cleansing Oil. Stone Crop Cleansing Oil and cleansing oils in general get a deeper clean. They can rinse off your makeup really well. They get in your pores, get your dirt, bacteria, loosen dead skin cells, hydrate your skin. Now the trick is you don't want a lot of oil cleanse. Hello, let me get my shoulders in this. You don't want a lot of oil cleanse. You actually want to dry rub your face. You don't want it super lubey. I don't even take my lipstick or anything off. I just smear it all on. Obviously for you girls with fake lashes, you have to avoid the eye area. In my case, I can't wear fake lashes because I'm an esthetician. I pick them all off with my own lashes. I also don't love them because you can't clean around your eyes very well. And I see girls a lot of time with little like pink eyes and little bacteria, pimples around their eyes. What is that? And so I don't really love fake lashes, but you do you, boo. Obviously with the oil cleanse, I come all the way down. If you guys were in here, girls would get involved. If you have acne on your shoulders, I like doing my shoulders too because it sounds funny, but I like when my shoulders are hydrated and have a glow to them when I wear shirts and everything. Just me, maybe. I like to dry rub this oil cleanse for about 4 minutes. Really get in there. Everyone's always textured and blackheady on their nose, on their chin, by their ears, especially us with long hair who don't wash it as often. Maybe me. Behind too, ladies. This is why we pull our hair back. Right up to the hairline, especially boys who wear pomade in their hair. And just rub it everywhere. Especially where you're built up or you have a lot of makeup or congestion. We have a lot of different oil cleanses here at the spa for acne, eczemas, anti-aging, normal skin. Perfect. Let's pretend I did it for 4 minutes. Those of you who don't wash your oil cleanse off and just wipe it off, it still has a whole bunch of dirt, makeup, bacteria, makeup in it. So I don't recommend that. When people say that they don't like oil cleansing because they broke out and it's not working for them, they're usually not using a cleanser after and washing it off. Remember, your oil cleanse has just absorbed all that dirt, oil, toxins, makeup, pollutant, dead skin cells from the day. It needs to be washed off. I don't care what anyone else says. That's my opinion, sticking with it. Cleanser over top. You can obviously take your oil cleanse and wash it off first with some water and then cleanse, but I'm too lazy for that. Let's get the show on the road. Obviously, cleanse everywhere. This Monoi one from the Amazing Eminence has little olive circular beads in it to scrub. It's perfect for me to get that little grit off my nose. Girls, scrub here. I always find makeup all in here and blackheads. And here, and here, and here, and here. Make my job easier, you know? Let's pretend that we cleansed for 4 minutes. Now you teenagers, when you just put cleanser on, rub it around for 5 seconds and wash it off, That's not cleansing. Play your favorite song or something. Wash for a few minutes. I like using a washcloth. Nobody knows what they are anymore, especially the millennials. Our grandparents invented them to wash our bodies. Just kidding. But everyone's forgotten about them. I like using a washcloth because you can really get in there. It's a little added exfoliant. You can get in all the corners. You can even get in your dirty ears if you have such. I can get around my shoulders. I like doing 2 or 3 rinses to clean my face, but also in facials to get really clean. Around my eyes, my lips. I love red lipstick. Gotta get it off or else I have little red blackheads around my lips if I wear bad lipstick. Next, towel off. Oh. Now I'm ready to serum, moisturize, eye cream, lip balm, and get ready for my night. I am ready for bed, y'all. Have a good night. Hope you guys enjoyed my video.